Hello guys, this is your host Akshita from DHC New Homes, and as you can see today we are here at Chembur. Purvankara enters Mumbai for the first time ever. Guys, they are launching this new project Purva Clermont, which is, if I talk about the location, it is in Chembur. It is just 2 minutes from your Shivaji Chowk. They are offering you 2, 3 and 4 bed luxurious apartments, residences with 30 plus lifestyle amenities. They're giving you excellent education and social infra within 5 to 15 minutes of distance from this particular location. If I talk about the connectivity of your schools, colleges, you have your schools, which is your Vian International, Lawrento Convent School, and many more schools and hospitals. You have your shopping malls and everything at a very nearing distance from this location. You have basically a high street mall and many other grocery stores, and as per connectivity this project is one of the best project for you. If I talk about the connectivity to the commercial hubs, you have your Eastern Express Highway, which is in 2 minutes of distance. You have your Eastern Freeway, which is at 6 minutes distance. You have your BKC at 20 minutes of hardly 20 minutes of distance from here. Then comes your Western Express Highway, it is at 25 minutes of distance. Your Vashi from this particular location is just at 30 minutes of distance, right, guys? If I talk about the metro connectivity, you have your Shivaji Chowk metro station, at Metro Line 2B, just at 2-3 minutes of distance. It is basically providing you an access to the western suburbs to South Mumbai. It is a gated branded residential development, and you have this world home collections coming for the first time in Mumbai. So guys, this is that Purva Clermont, a gated community, a gated brand residential development, world home collections coming for the first time ever in Mumbai. State of the art Bluenix technology complex homes automation, and the partner for them is partnering with Google. Guys, as you can see, I'm standing right here near the project structure. This is basically their project module. You can see they have these 4 towers along with this commercial tower, which is again in the whole land parcel. And as you can see, we also have the layout right here for your 3 BHK 10118 carpet. This is their layout for 1018. Building the finest, smartest, happiest home for the families across all over India. As you can see, presence in 9 cities with 45 million square feet, which is already developed. They have their partners in Bangalore, Chennai, Coimbatore, Goa, Hyderabad, Kochi, Mangalore, Pune, and basically this is the first time they are entering the Mumbai city as well. This is a legacy of delighting customers, thoughtfully designed celebration spaces. You can see what all USPs you have when you get connected with this particular project. Rejuvenate with 30 plus modern amenities. So guys, as said, they are giving you all level of world class modern amenities with this. You're getting your hammock zone, comes your barbecue deck, you have your zip lining, then you have your reflexology path, you have your pet zone, comes your multi-purpose court, you have your swimming pool, amphitheater, aroma garden and whatnot. You also have your gymnasium, kids play area, senior citizen area. Guys, you name any amenity and Purva Clermont is making sure that you are living under that amenities with this modern lifestyle. So let us just go forward and explore their 3 BHK sample flat of 1018 carpet. As you can see, this is your parking, electrical shaft inside view. You have your basement wall and column finish with column penders. You have high level electrical cable trays. You can have this right. You can see this right here is your parking, and then here comes your staircases, which is treads and riser finish. You have your skirting detail, railing design, and a painted wall for your staircases also. Just have a look. This is basically inside your bathroom, that is your inside your washroom. This is plastered wall, your layout, plastered wall layout marketing, tiles fixed with adhesive finishing, finishing washroom they are giving you along with tile pattern. You have your floor trap, you can have a look, the layers and all the modern fittings are there in your washroom right here. Premium fittings they have installed. And guys, this right here is going to be your building or basically your balcony, which is again you're going to get those painted walls. You have your UPVC sliding doors for your balcony. Then you have this rainwater line balcony glass with SS railing. You can look at the balcony glass. They have given every specification and they have literally shown it. This is building a balcony. You can just have a look to the balcony space. And then this is about the building structure, how they are building it actually. And then you also have your internal finishes, which includes your plastering, comes your painting, putty, primer coat. You have your all the internal finishes with whatever they are giving you. Your internal finishes are also very nicely portrayed right here. You can just have a look. So as you can see, they have given the specification of your parking, the staircases. You have your inside your washroom or your bathroom, building a balcony, how they are actually building the structure, and comes your internal finishes as well. So now I'm going to take you to the sample flat. Come, let's explore the sample flat of 3 BHK 1018 carpet area. Guys, come, let me help you explore their beautiful 3 BHK of 1018 carpet. As you can see, I'm standing right here in their sample flat, and as you can see, this right here is going to be their main entrance. So guys, here you have enough space where you can make this space and consume it as your foyer area. You can see they have given a beautiful full length mirror right at your entrance, so that whenever you walk out of the house or whenever you walk in, you will have this beautiful long length mirror to see yourself. Come, let me help you explore their beautiful living space. Guys, this right here is going to be their living room. You have your sitting space, comes your center table. You have your TV unit right here. They have given basically, you can make it as your L structure sofa space. And then as soon as you enter on your left hand side, you have your beautiful space which they have customized, or maybe they have made it as your dining space. You can basically put the dining space there, take the sofa or maybe the sitting area here. You can make it as per your needs. And then you have this beautiful balcony attached just right after your dining area. So this is your balcony which comes in your living room, and then just parallel to your dining space you have your kitchen area. Guys, this right here is going to be your beautiful fitted modular kitchen. You can see they have given it in parallel platforms. You can spam in the details which they have given, very beautiful, and aesthetically they have designed their each and every single detailed of their sample flat. So as said, you have your kitchen platform here. The sink area comes here. You can see how beautifully they have specified every small detail. Comes your lot of wardrobe space. Come in and please spam. So you have your dry area right here. This is going to be your dry area. And then you have, again, as said, your kitchen platform, comes your storage, and then you have the space for your fridge unit. Come in. So as you can see, after the kitchen space on my right, you have your common bedroom, which you can make it as your kids bedroom as well. This right here is going to be your common bedroom. This is your bed space, and you have enough walking space. And then comes your beautiful long length wardrobe. Guys, this right here is your wardrobe. You can definitely customize it as per your needs. And then on my right, again, basically this is their common washroom, again attached to your shower area too. You can see the premium fittings that they have given to your washroom. So basically, if you can see, this common washroom is attached directly, not attached, but there's a wall which you can customize and make this common bedroom as your master bedroom also, that you can probably customize it. And you can make three master bedrooms. As you can see, I am standing right here in their beautifully designed master bedroom. Just have a look, guys. They have portrayed the every small detail so well. Just come in. This right here is your fully equipped, you can say, wardrobe space wherein they have put this beautiful clothes for the small children. And here comes your bed space. This is again their queen size bed. Your TV unit comes right here, guys. This is your TV unit. You have enough walking space along with the full length size of your wardrobe. And then comes your very spacious washroom. Guys, just have a look again. They have given this space as your washroom. Here comes your sink area, which is again very premium fitted sink space. Have a look. And then, guys, let me take you to their very luxurious master bedroom. This is their final master bedroom, guys. Master bedroom number 3, basically. This right here is your maybe king size of bed you can fit in this particular space. You have your Alexa right here. Comes your side table and beautiful curtains. You have your TV unit, and then let me also show you their dressing table, guys. This right here is going to be the dressing table. So basically you can see after in your master bedroom you have enough walking space. You can make this place, this is basically covered under their niche area, so you can make this place as your walk-in wardrobe too and customize this place. And then you have this beautifully fitted washroom again with your master bedroom. So they have also given your premium fitted washrooms. So guys, as said, this is their premium and luxurious 3 BHK 1018 carpet.